So let's start about the string method and some concept of the string. So today we'll discuss about how to reverse of your string. Suppose we have a string, the sky is blue and I want to split like the sky is blue like that, or we want to reverse the blue is the sky the. So this kind of reverse and the split we'll see in this video. So so please maintain here up to the end of the video and see the logic of the string, how we have to reverse the word and how we have to split the word and all. Okay, so let's start. So suppose we have already created a class. That class, what I want to do, I want to split this string. We have a string like the sky is blue and I want to split in separate word from this string. We have a string with the word of the sky is blue, but I want to split. So it will print like the separate, then sky, then is, and then blue. And this will separate by the help of white space. And white space we can separate, it's a pattern, it's a regex pattern in a string, so it should indicate like slash s. So slash s will indicate our space in a string. And after that, once I will use the split method of the string, will store in a array of string. So this is a string, but once I will split means it's not a string, it's a array of a string. It will, you know already what is the array. Array is just combination of same pattern uh, array of the integer. So 1 2 3 4, like all are the array. Suppose 1 2 3 4 we are talking, these are the array. But once I will talk about the 1 2 3 4, these are this is not array, this is a full number 1 2 3 4, like 1000 1234. But 1 2 3 4, this is array. So that's why if I will split this string in a string array, so we have to use here the string array to store this, correct? Okay. And suppose this is converted in the string array, so how we will print? So we can use the for each loop. The for each loop means like it's advanced type of for loop. Like in the normal for loop, what we have to do, we have to initialize, means start from a, a beginning position to the end of the uh, like. But here is the for each loop means it will just consider, it will loop up to the end of this word so how many is splitted word are there in this string, it will run up to that. So no need to define the length and all of any array. So directly we can print we can run this loop until the array is not completed, correct? Is it clear? If it's not clear, I will create one more video. You will get the link of that video in the description box about the for each loop and the array and all. Okay, so cool. So let's start, just run this code and see what is the output. We are getting output the sky is blue. You can say this is a full string, but I will do one more thing. And I will use the println so you will understand clearly. So see here, it is splitting in with the white space, like the sky is and blue in between having the white space, so it is splitting there. Okay, so now we understood about the split method of the string. But we have a question. Suppose we want to reverse this string as a like blue is sky the. So like that, how we can reverse? So we can't say it's the reverse, it's just opposite. If we'll reverse normally of a string, it will reverse like a first E, then U, then L and B, like that will come. But I want to split and reverse and by the help of white space, like it should not, it should follow the pattern, like white, blue should print together, each should print together, and in between that same pattern should follow. So how we will achieve this thing, we'll see in this video. So I have one more class, so I will describe this what we have to do here. So we have the string, and the same string I want to repeat, means we want to reverse in a same pattern. So for that we have to use the regex pattern. So the patterns option will return you, if you put your mouse here, you will get the all details, like you will get a regular expression, like if you want to know about the much more about the pattern and regex and all, I will make one more video. So just for information now, just understand this is pattern coming from the regular expression of the java, and you will maintain the regular expression, like the same expression you will get in the output. So correct. And the same thing I am, what I am doing here, I am splitting the string. This is string I am going to split, what we have to do in the last class. So same I am doing here, and I am splitting. And the one more extra thing what we have to do, the extra activity is this one only. Up to this we know already how we have to split, and we have did one more extra thing, that is pattern. So we are going to maintain the pattern. If suppose we will not maintain the pattern, means it will not come, the will not get the output in this pattern. We will get like each and every word will be in the repeated mode or reverse mode. So we have to use two extra uh, activity to reverse the like. First of all, I am going to show you the output, what will be output will come. So see, our original string is the sky is blue, but the reverse is in the reverse manner we are getting the blue is a sky the. So are you able to see? So see, so this is the output I want. So for that we have to use for loop up to the length of this temporary string array. And once we'll get the all for loop, we have a logic inside a for loop, like if I equal to temp dot length minus 1. So what temp dot length? So temp dot length means it will go up to the length of the array. Like we have the array of string, so we can consider this is a 0 length, this is a 1, 2, this is a 3. Correct. So this is 1, 2, 3, like that. So it will go up to the length of 3 of this string array, and it will find out if it is equal, means it will reverse it. It will just give me uh, the result, like temp I plus reverse. And then if we have the one more condition, else suppose we have the white space and then temp I plus reverse. So uh, just see one more thing. If you will be want to see how it is working internally before this loop, we have to run, we have to uncomment this output, and we have to see what they are doing. First of all, they are getting the first I0 length of word, then I0 one length, then like first, second, and third, then fourth, like that. So but our motive is to get the output on proper manner, so we have to just uncomment this and we have to get the output after the for loop. Once for loop is complete the whole thing, we have to get the output, then we'll get the reverse word of a string. So this is a very common question in the interview nowadays. So you can go through, you can uh, uh, understand this logic and all, and sometimes you have to remind the all flow. So I will recap once again. So up to this, it is very simple. You know how to split the string. But after that, one more logic is there. So how you will get your splitted uh, word in a reverse manner. So this is the main logic, and that's it for this video. We'll discuss in the next video some new logic and all. So if you are the new in this channel, please subscribe this channel, hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon, so you will get the notification if I will upload this kind of interesting video. And please like if you are really interested and you are happy with this video. Please hit the like button. So thank you